Good day, everyone. I'm Janeline Texon, a third-year BSIT student from St. Rita's College of Balingasag. Today, I will teach you how to use MySQL syntax. MySQL unique constraint. The unique constraint uniquely identifies each record in a database table. To start with, go to WAMP server, yes, and go to WAMP icon, then click MySQL and MySQL console. Press enter, then create database name employee underscore DB. Then use the database name employee underscore DB. Then create table name employee with the attributes employee ID with the data type integer size 10 unsigned auto increment primary key not null. The next attribute is employee full name with the data type varchar size 25 unique not null. Next attribute employee birthday not with the data type date not null. Next attribute employee address with the data type varchar size 25 not null. Next attribute employee hire date with the data type date not null. Then to see the result, describe name of table which is employee. Then this is the result. For more information, please visit www.w3school.com/sql. Thank you.